Evelyn. Thanks so much for tuning in to my channel today. I do appreciate it. In today's video, I am going to share an unboxing items that I purchased from Amazon. Do have a very busy day, packing orders, making products, and I do need to organize my small workspace and put away some items that I did purchase from Amazon. I will link the items that I purchased from Amazon in the link in the description down below. So let's get into my video. What I'm going to do now is open up my Amazon items that I purchased, and I need to organize my small workspace. Okay, you just watched that fail video of me unboxing and trying to share with you the products and containers and items that I purchased from Amazon. It was a complete fail. I didn't realize that my studio lights were not properly set up or positioned to see me clearly. In my room upstairs here, it is not that bright. I only have 2 windows on my bedroom side. There's not much lighting, so I deeply apologize for that. I wanted to delete the entire video, but when you're making videos, so much work, time, and effort goes into making your video, and it takes hours to even edit your video. So I deeply apologize for that. I do have a clipping of me putting away the supplies. Okay, I don't have much room in my workspace here, so I am going to take down paper towel here that I got from Sam's Club. description area everything that I unboxed from Amazon. I'm always ordering more supplies for my business. So the next go around, I will try to incorporate a video of unboxing some items that I purchased from Amazon. So with that being said, I truly appreciate you for watching my video. Thank you to all my subscribers for your support, supporting my YouTube channel. Thank you to the viewers that are not subscribers, but you show your support by watching my videos. I truly do appreciate it. So thank you so much for watching My Natural, My Choice. Bye-bye.